Today we are going to learn the new topic from 4th Standard English Grammar book, and the topic name is pronoun. In last some years we learned about pronouns. We learned about that concept, that what is pronoun. In 2 minutes I'll revise about it and then we will go for the next content. Now, what is pronoun? We learned this many times, right? So what do you understand from this? Pronoun means words which we use in place of noun. When we start to make a conversation, when we start to write a sentence, we start with the name of person or the thing or the name of that place. But if we don't know the name, we are using some another words in place of names. So those words we call pronoun. See, this definition is here. This is very simple definition. Pronouns are used for or in place of noun. In place of noun, in place of names, which word we are using, then we call pronoun. So we learn this thing in last some years, right? We learn I, he, she, it, they, we, you. These pronouns we learn with many examples. But now it's time to learn about different types of pronoun. In noun we see so many different types, that countable noun, uncountable noun. But in pronoun we not learn any type of pronoun, right? So that we are going to study now. This year we will learn about types of pronoun. In pronoun also there are some different types. We will see that. I'll explain you those concepts with examples. So see the first one now, which is the first type of pronoun. The first type of pronoun is common pronoun. Here in this box I write it here, that common pronoun. Now what is common pronoun? Do you know the meaning of common? Yes, common means which we use for same kind of group, that can be called common, right? Here are some pronouns. For an example, I, we are using for ourselves. Anyone can use this, right? So this is common. Then me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. These pronouns we can use commonly for same kind of group. So these all pronouns comes in common pronoun group. These we call common pronouns. Now we will discuss about these pronouns more briefly. Okay. Now see here, the first is I and me. These two words I write here and I just draw one box here. I and me. These two words are pronouns, right? I and me, where we are using that if I want to tell you something about myself and I cannot use my name every time. So in place of my name for myself, I can use I and me, these two pronouns, right? Anyone can use this commonly. So these two also comes in common pronoun group. See the next is he and him. Now he and him. He, anybody means any boys, any gents, they can use he pronoun in place of their name. Him also we can use for any boy. This is not just only for particular one. I can use for any boy, for any man, I can use this. So this is also comes in common pronoun. Now see the next one, she and her. She we use for girl, her also we use for girl. But they not mention about it, na? Just only for this girl you can use she and her in place of her name. No, we can use these two pronouns in place of names of girls, right? These also comes in common. Then it, it. See here, for names of things, animals, fruit, etc. So for them we can use it commonly. If there is any fruit, any animal, for them we can use it. So this also comes in common pronoun group. Okay? And see here now, they and them. They and them, these two pronouns we use for many, right? But we can use that for any group, any people, any kind of person. So here they and them, these two also comes in common pronoun group. And why? Oh, you. You, if anybody is standing in front of me, anybody, I can use you pronoun in place of their name. So you also common pronoun. Okay, do you understand about this? We talk here about the first type of pronoun, that is common pronoun. Common means which we use for same kind of group. That pronoun we can call common pronoun. And which are common pronouns? Again we will repeat it here. See here, I, me, we, us, he, him, it, you, she, her, they, them. These are common pronouns. Okay. Now we will talk about again common pronoun, but with some examples of sentences. In those sentences we will understand it that how to use and where to use this pronoun. Okay. Now we are going to see those examples. Now let's see.
Here are some sentences with common pronouns. First sentence, Sita told Geeta that she should work hard. In this sentence, they use SHE, she, this common pronoun for this girl. Second sentence, Reema's mother told her to rest after school hours. Here they use HER, this common pronoun for Reema. Sentence number 3. The movie was a flop because it was boring. IT, this is common pronoun and they use this for movie. Sentence number 4. She is leaving the school because her father is getting transferred. They use two pronouns here, SHE, she, HER, her. This both pronoun they use for that girl. Sentence number 5. The boys are shouting because they have won the basketball match. In this sentence, they use THEY, they, this pronoun for all the boys, and this is common pronoun. Number 6. Mona and Malini went to the zoo, but they had to come back because it was closed. First, they use they, this pronoun, this common pronoun they use in this sentence. They, this pronoun they use for Mona and Malini. And it, this is also common pronouns, but this pronoun they use for zoo. Number 7, the teacher told the pupils to be attentive as she would be teaching a new lesson. Here they use SHE, she, this common pronoun, and she pronoun they used in place of teacher. Number 8, Shalini wore the dress she bought from the market. In this sentence, they used SHE, she, in place of Shalini. Number 9, the deer whimpered because it was badly wounded. So here IT8 they use for name of deer, and this is common pronoun. Number 10 and the last one is Ruskin Bond is a writer. He has written many stories. In this sentence they use he for the name of Ruskin Bond. Okay, so this way the words which we underline here, the words you can see with line, those all words, those all pronouns are examples of common pronoun. Common pronoun we use commonly for same kind of group. We learn about it and now we discuss this with these examples.
Now this time to learn about the second type of pronoun. Which is the second type of pronoun? It is here. This is possessive pronoun. Now, what is mean by possessive pronoun? You know, sometimes we are saying, we are using some particular words to show that these things belong to that person. Like that, some pronouns we use to show that something belongs to somebody. So then we call, so those words, those pronouns we call possessive pronouns. Now you see here. This is your grammar book. It is in my hand. Now I want to tell you that this book belongs to me. It means this is my book. This book belongs to me. So I can say that this book is mine. It means mine means this belongs to me. If you are there, you are standing in front of me. If this book belongs to you, I can easily say that this book is yours. Yours means this belongs to you. This is yours. If the book belongs to us, means me and my friend is here, and I want to tell you this book belongs to us, to both of us. So I can easily say that the book is ours, right? See this word here, O-U-R-S. Now, if this book belongs to him, if one boy is there and I want to tell you that this book belongs to that particular boy. So I can easily say that the book is his, means this is his book. This book belongs to him. So this book is his. So this way I can say that if there is girl in place of boy, I can say the book is hers. Hers means this book belongs to her. This book belongs to that girl. I can say this book is hers. Now see here the last one, the book belongs to them. If there are many people, if one group is there, and if this book belongs to them, I can easily say that the book is theirs. So the words which I underline here, mine, yours, ours, his, hers, theirs. So these all pronouns are examples of possessive pronoun. These all pronouns are examples of possessive pronoun. So do you understand about this possessive pronoun means what? The way we learn about the common pronoun with some examples, like that only we will talk more about this possessive pronoun with example. Now let's see.
Here is one more question for the practice. So what is the question? The question is, rewrite the sentences using possessive pronoun. Now just only we learn about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun means the pronoun which show you that something belongs to somebody, then we call possessive pronouns. And here are some examples, and they tell you to rewrite the sentences in that blank space with using possessive pronoun. Answers are already here. We are going to only discuss about this now. See, the first is that car belongs to him. Now that car belongs to him. If we want to say this, we are saying his. Him for boys, but when we want to show that this car or this thing belong to this boy, we are saying, we are using his, this possessive pronoun. So the answer it will be, the car is his. It means this car belongs to him, to that boy. Second sentence, the doll belongs to her. If we want to tell someone that this car or this doll belongs to that girl, we can say the doll is hers. Her means this belongs to that girl. Sentence number 3, the house belongs to them. So if we want to show that this thing belongs to many people, we are saying theirs. We are saying them. So here they used the answer, it will be like the house is theirs. It means this house belongs to them. Sentence number 4, the bag belongs to me. If I want to tell you this bag belongs to me, this relate with me, I can say the bag is mine. Mine means it belongs to me. Sentence number 5, the gift is for you. If we want to tell someone who is standing in front of us that this thing belongs to you, we are saying yours. So answer is, the gift is yours. Number 6, those pens belongs to you all. those pen belongs to you all. I want to tell you, the many people they are standing in front of me, so I want to tell them that this pens belongs to you. I can easily say that those pens are yours. Okay, so these all pronouns, his, hers, theirs, mine, yours, these all pronouns are examples of possessive pronoun. Thank you for watching this video related with the pronoun concept. Today we learn here about two types of pronoun, common pronoun and possessive pronoun. Remaining all pronouns, the types of different pronouns, we are going to learn in the second video. Thank you.